As you know, back early this year, Western Europe offered a grant for 4 subsidiaries that applied, and we were one of the winners, and we are very proud of that. And we applied with the digital transformation of Just a Change, and they are with us today. And because of them, we will organize this day, and they will, during the summer, rebuilding houses in this area. As you all know, the wildfires last year really impacted our country. Especially Arganil was really impacted. 92% of the forest area of this municipality was burned, only for you to know. So today, what we are going to do, I think you all read the emails, but just for a reminder, we will have 2 teams.
Uma coisa essencial que é importantíssimo, que não pode mesmo acontecer, que é a segurança aqui nos andaimes. É uma coisa que os coordenadores, se dizem uma coisa, essa coisa é mesmo para ser feita. Ou seja, nós temos arneses e se o coordenador diz que é para usar, só favor.